Hi friend, and welcome to my channel. I'm Angelique. So today I'm back with yet another brown girl friendly, brown eye friendly approved contact review. I was sent 4 pairs of contacts from the company Cocosusie. So just note this company is based out of China, so the delivery was a bit delayed. It took about 16 days to get to me. So this is going to be the box that the contacts come with. Inside of the box you will see each pair is going to come in its own individualized box. And then it's also going to come with contact cases, which also come with a pair of contact tweezers inside, as well as the applicator tool. So this is what the first pair is looking like. This is going to be in the style K4 brown. So this is what it looks like in the container. Of course, they are going to come individually packaged, and you are going to note this does have a limbo ring on it. So now I'm just going to apply it inside my eyes so you guys can get a side-by-side comparison of how my natural eye color looks versus how this contact looks in my eye. Also, something to note as well, you guys, if you do want a discount on these contacts, you can go ahead and enter Angelique's Attic 2024 into the coupon code box on the website and you will get a discount. So this is what the K4 brown is looking like. Like I noted, there is going to be a limbo ring with this one. And I also wanted to show you guys how the contact looks on my iPhone. So this is the iPhone footage right here, and you can see that drastic difference, honey, you guys, between my typical dark brown eye versus the contact in my eye. And this is how it's gonna look with both of them in my eyes. And like I said, this is gonna be the K4 brown. What I like about this is it's a little like unique and doll-like. It has a sort of glow to it. This is gonna be on the lighter brown side. And this is how it looks with my iPhone. I think this color is definitely pretty. It's giving more of a light brown. So I feel like this is going to be good for somebody who may not be super comfortable trying different contact colors, but wants something that looks realistic enough while still giving a switch up. So now I'm just popping these out and going on to the next color. So this is the box for the next color, and this is going to be in the color K6 brown. And this is going to be the individualized packaging, and we're going to see another limbo ring. Now I'm just going to apply it in my eye, give you guys a side-by-side comparison of how this looks with my natural eye versus how this looks with the contact in my eye. And as you can see, this one is a little bit darker than the K4 brown. And then I'm going to show you the lighting on my iPhone as well. So I feel like with the K4 brown, it has a bit more of a glisten to it, if that makes sense. This K6 brown has a bit of a darker tone to it. So this is going to be yet another one if you may not be comfortable trying different colors and stuff, where you still get the lightness of a comfortable brown eye contact, but also with it not being too overbearing. I think I like this one slightly better than the K4 brown. I think it looks just a little more realistic, and it doesn't have quite as much of a glowiness about it. The limbo rings aren't too crazy or anything like that. It's comfortable in my eye. And then this is how it looks on my iPhone. I feel like the K4 brown and the K6 brown are definitely similar, but like I said, I think the K6 brown is a little bit darker. And I'm just going in with my BioTrue and showing you guys how I preserve my contacts. I just use the BioTrue, put it inside the contact lens case that they sent to me, and then I just store the contacts inside of them. And y'all, I feel like this is a little trick, because I don't know how I've been able to do so many different things with nails at this length, but it has become a gift, you guys. So now this is the next color. This is going to be in the K8 brown. So that's what the box for her is looking like. And here is the individualized packaging. This is going to be yet another one that has a limbo ring. And then I'm just going to stick this in my eye and show you guys how it looks on my natural dark brown eye. And I feel like this color is definitely like an obvious difference between the K4 brown and the K6 brown. This one is definitely on the lighter side. It doesn't have the glow of the K4 and it doesn't have the darkness of the K6. And then this is how it looks on my iPhone lighting. I feel like this one is a bit more of a drastic change than the other two colors, so this may not be for the people that want a more of a subtle brown eye. This is giving me kind of more hazel vibes, if that makes sense. It's absolutely on the lighter side. This one is cute. Not necessarily for me, but I feel like I would give it a go if I wanted to do something a little bit different and step out of the box. I think this color is a little more captivating for sure, so this may be more of a showstopper, more of somebody who kind of wants to stand out a bit in comparison to the K4 and the K6 brown. And then I'm just gonna pop these out and show you guys my final pair. And this last pair is gonna be in the color K8 Gray. I just decided to switch it up a little bit for you guys. Since I did all brown, I just wanted to do at least one different color. So here's the individualized packaging. And here's how it looks. There's gonna be yet another limbo ring. And I'm just gonna pop it in my eye and show you guys how it looks in my natural dark brown eye. And look at that, you guys. I am a gray girly, so I definitely was feeling this color. I like that it's a darker gray as well, instead of being like a light overwhelming gray. So if you're somebody who likes darker colored contacts, I would definitely say this is the one, honey. Look at it. Look at it. And then that's how it looks on my iPhone lighting. It's definitely a pop out, but not too much pop out, if that makes sense. So it's definitely like a nice little switch up. I think this would be a good in-between for somebody who may be a little bit scared to try colors, but also doesn't want it to be too overwhelming, something that's just right in the middle. I really do love these gray contacts. I think honestly my favorite ones would probably be the K6 brown. I feel like those are the most even, right in the middle, where you can go out and about and not be throwing people off too much. So that's pretty much all of the contacts I had, you guys. Let me know down below which ones are your favorite, which ones you like the best on me, or which ones you would probably pick up and try out yourself. Like I said, if you want to get these at a discounted price, be sure to go ahead and use my coupon code Angelique's Attic 2024. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.